There are many amazing and wonderful creatures to be found on this blue planet we call Earth. This furry, hairless, reptilian mammal is called the Christopher Johnson. The Christopher Johnson is an incredible creature. It likes to burrow underground where it can find a feast of little grub worms to keep it safe and happy and well fed for the winter. Here we observe this magnificent creature lying about and having a Sunday afternoon swim. This mammal likes to take advantage of his nimble little fingers to find treats and treasures that hide in little secret places like couches or his pants. He gorges himself on tamales and berries, which are usually sold by local savage tribesmen. After a long day of dancing around on the fjords, we get a rare glimpse of the Christopher Johnson enjoying a little R&R down by the river. Watch out for that otter! For safety and security, this crafty little chameleon likes to nestle with various critters from the Underdark. During mating season, he rolls himself in mud and rat feces to attract a frisky female so he can lay his eggs in her arm hair, where they gestate for 2 to 3 business days. Well, that's it for our wonderful world and our adventure studying this fabulous speckled creature. I hope you have a great day. I'm going to.